Good morning, children. Children, as you all can see on your screen, there is paper pattern for your final exam, and below that you have portion for your final exam. Yes, children. So first we'll see the pattern of the paper. Fill in the blanks. Match the following: true or false. Put right or wrong. Choose correct alternatives. Give one word. Classify the following. Name the following. Define the following. And answer in one sentence. Okay, children? So, this is how the paper is going to come for your final exam. Now, we'll see about the portion for final exam. You have a total of 4 lessons for your final exam. Lesson number 20, our emotional world. Lesson number 21, busy at work, our internal organs. Lesson number 22, growth and personality development. Lesson number 23, infectious diseases and how to prevent them. Okay, children? So, बच्चों आपको सिर्फ 4 लेसन्स एग्ज़ाम में पढ़ने हैं. Lesson number 24 and 25 is not there for your exam. Okay, you have only lesson number 20, 21, 22 and 23. Okay, children. So now let us do the revision as per your paper pattern. First is our emotional world. Fill in the blanks. Just as man is able to think, he is also dash. Your answer is emotional. Once again, I'll repeat. Just as man is able to think, he is also emotional. Second one, we must always think about the dash in our friends first. Your answer is good qualities. Once again, I'll repeat, children. We must always think about the good qualities in our friends first. Third one, anger, joy, fear are all dash. Your answer is emotions. Anger, joy, fear are all emotions. Fourth one, if we dash, we can control our emotions. Your answer is think properly. If we think properly, we can control our emotions. Next, put right or wrong. First one, Ramesh told Suresh that Amit had said something about him. Suresh decided to react only after confirming the facts. This is a right. Okay? Right incident. So, put a right. Second one, Chaya and Meena usually make equal progress in their studies. The teacher praised Chaya's essay. This made Meena angry and she decided not to speak to Chaya. This was a wrong incident, so do it wrong. Okay. Third one, Dinesh took Manoj's pen and pencil from his bag and hid them. But later he said sorry to Manoj and promised not to do it again. Okay. So this is a right incident and mark it as right. Okay, children. Next, Sunita wanted to go to the market with her mother, but for some reason her mother had to leave early. Sunita was angry with her mother, but later she asked her mother for the reason why she had to leave early, and then her anger subsided when she learned the reason. This was a truly right incident, so mark it as right. Fill in the blanks again. When we learn to cope with our emotions, our dash becomes balanced. Your answer is personality. When we learn to cope with our emotions, our personality becomes balanced. Second one, people's likes, dislikes, and dash can be different. Your answer is capabilities. Okay, people's likes, dislikes, and capabilities are different. Third one, there must be a balance between our thoughts and emotions. Okay, your answer is thoughts and emotions. Next, lesson number 21, busy at work are internal organs. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is transported to all parts of the body. Your answer is oxygen. Oxygen is transported to all parts of the body. Second one, the stomach is like a bag. Okay, your answer is bag. The stomach is like a bag. Okay. Third one, another word for air sacs is dash. Your answer is alveoli. Another word for air sacs is alveoli. Okay. Fourth one, between the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity is the dash. Your answer is diaphragm. Between the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity is the diaphragm. Okay. Fifth one, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in the dash. Your answer is alveoli. Once again, I'll repeat. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in the alveoli. Okay. Sixth one, the inner lining of the respiratory organs has fine hair-like structures called cilia. Okay, your answer is cilia. The inner lining of the respiratory organs has fine hair-like structures called as cilia. Okay. Question number 2. Match the following. Lungs is option number B. Respiration. Stomach option number D. Digestion. Heart option number A. Circulation. And brain option number C, that is coordination. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat, children. Lungs, respiration, stomach, digestion, heart, circulation, and brain, coordination. Okay. Next, growth and personality development. Lesson number 22. Fill in the blanks. First one, as we grow, our dash and dash increases. Your answer is weight and height. As we grow, our weight and height increases. Second one, the greater the number of skills we learn, the less is our dash on others. Your answer is dependence. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. The greater the number of skills we learn, the less is our dependence on others. Third one, we dash the ability to learn many skills. Your answer is inherit. We inherit the ability to learn many skills. Fourth one, developing our skills helps us to live and dash dash and dash life. Your answer is independent, useful, and enriching life. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. Developing our skills helps us to live an independent, useful, and enriching life. Fifth one, our dash develops through our interest and efforts. Your answer is personality. Our personality develops through our interest and efforts. Next is true or false. First one, a baby gradually learns to perform newly learned tasks without making mistakes. Your answer is true. Second one, at birth we already have all skills. Your answer is false. Third one, we cannot manage all our tasks entirely by ourselves. Your answer is true. Fourth one, our height increases from birth till we grow old. Your answer is false. Okay. Now, lesson number 23, infectious diseases and how to prevent them. Fill in the blanks. First, diseases of the dash and the dash spread through the air. Your answer is throat and chest. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. Diseases of the dash and the dash spread through the air. Second one, many people get a dash after eating contaminated food. Your answer is food poisoning. Once again, I'll repeat. Many people get food poisoning after eating contaminated food. Third one, it is always important to keep our food dash. Your answer is covered. It is always important to keep our food covered. Okay. Fourth one, maintaining dash everywhere is beneficial for our health. Your answer is cleanliness. Maintaining cleanliness everywhere is beneficial for our health. Question number 2, true or false? First one, intestinal diseases spread through air. Your answer is false. Okay. Second one, some diseases are caused by the anger of the gods. Your answer is false. Okay, children. Next, fill in the blanks. Ringworm and scabies affect the dash. Your answer is skin. Once again, I'll repeat. Ringworm and scabies affect the skin. Second one, to prevent the mosquitoes from breeding, we must ensure that there is no dash water in the surrounding. Your answer is stagnant water. Once again, I'll repeat. To prevent the mosquitoes from breeding, we must ensure that there is no stagnant water in the surrounding. Okay. Third one, spittle of tuberculosis patients is covered with a germicide called as phenyl. Once again, I'll repeat. Spittle of tuberculosis patients is covered with a germicide called as phenyl. Fourth one, our body develops resistance to a particular disease due to dash. Your answer is vaccination. Once again, I'll repeat. Our body develops resistance to a particular disease due to vaccination. Okay. Next, smoking causes life-threatening disease. Dash. Your answer is lung cancer. Smoking can cause life-threatening disease called lung cancer. Okay. Second one, the food changes into a thin dash in the stomach. Your answer is slurry. The food changes into a thin slurry in the stomach. Third one, the small intestine of an adult is dash long. Your answer is 7 meters long. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. The small intestine of an adult is 7 meters long. Fourth one, if one does not drink enough water, one can become dash constipated. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat. If one does not drink enough water, one can become constipated. Fifth one, the upper ends of both the dash and the dash open in the throat. Your answer is esophagus and windpipe. Once again, I'll repeat. The upper ends of both the esophagus and the windpipe open in the throat. Okay. And last but not the least, sixth one, excessive drinking of alcohol causes dash on the inner lining of the digestive organs. Your answer is ulcers. Once again, I'll repeat. Excessive drinking of alcohol causes ulcers on the inner lining of the digestive organs. Okay. So children, with this we have finished some part of the revision, and the next part we will do in the next session. Okay children, thank you.